Hello, my beautiful brides, bridesmaids, or clients that want their hair to look amazing on their special day. And today I am making a video for you on how to make your hair look awesome on your special day. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to help us as hairstylists for your big day to have a beautiful hair, but also just for you in case you're gonna do your own hair and you just wanna know little things that are very important actually in order for you to have beautiful hair. We are going to start with the first tip that is actually really easy, but a lot of brides or clients forget about it, which is wash your hair the day before or the day of, a couple of hours prior. So me as a hairstylist, I expect you to have your hair washed the day before. Blow dry it with your hair down if you can, just to give it that little volume. It's your natural hair volume, and then if you need more, I can add. It's very important for you to not add any heavy conditioners or hair masks, just so we can work with your hair and the curls stay longer, and in general hairstyles will stay longer on your hair if you don't have any heavy conditioners or masks on them. The second tip for you is to actually do a little bit of research before you contact a hairstylist, and that's to check what is going to be your dress, what is the hairstyle that you're going for, the harmony with the makeup, the color palette that you're going to choose for your wedding. So if you want to add hair accessories, that's really important too. So before you actually reach out to one of the hairstylists to check on their pricing, or if you can do a trial, please have an idea on what you want to do. Even if you want to do two different hairstylists or two different hairstyles for your day, be sure to check and see the harmony. Maybe check with the hairstylist if that's good with your dress, with the accessories that you're gonna have for your wedding. So that's really important. And also, when you look for hairstyles for your hair, please look at pictures that have the same hair color as your hair color. It's really important because I get so many inspiration pictures with blonde hair, which is the majority of them on the internet, and a lot of my brides have darker hair, and the hairstyle is going to obviously look different on that. So that's another really important tip for you to know. And we are on for the third tip, which is don't do anything major to your hair the week or 2 weeks prior to the wedding. So if you have highlights and you want to do some more highlights for your wedding day, I always recommend my brides to do that 2 weeks prior. In case something goes wrong, in case you want to go a little bit lighter, you have the time to actually go back to your hairstylist to fix it or to change your mind. Haircuts, the same. Don't get a haircut the day before, because you never know. Maybe you need to fix it. It's not properly trimmed or anything like that. It's good to do it a week or even two in advance, because you have that possibility to go back and just fix it or just do something else. So that is really important. And then if you want any clip-in hair extensions, again, it's really important for you to bring them to the trial or take them to your hairstylist that colors your hair so they can match them or anything like that. It's really important to communicate to us as hairstylists. And the last tip that I have, and is probably like the biggest and most important, and is about organizing everything, which is the location. So you want to make sure that you can get ready at that location, or they let you in early. Let's say you have 6 people or 8 people, but you need to be ready by 1 and the location only opens at 11. That's not possible. So you have to make sure that everything's going to set up. And another very important point is to set up a timeline for your hairstylist, just to make sure of who's gonna go first or who wants to go last, because a lot of people have preferences of they want to go last because their hair is thinner, their curls don't hold that much, or you as a bride, you want to go as close to the last person, just so you have the time, but your hair looks the most beautiful as well because it's your big day. Another very important thing with the organizing is communication with your hairstylist. I really appreciate when my clients are getting back to me with pictures of their whole party, pictures of inspiration for the hair that they want. Maybe get somebody to help you with that. Maybe a bridesmaid that is going to be organizing everything and just sending me pictures. I don't mind who's communicating, but it's really important for us as hairstylists to be prepared the day of and know, like, we're gonna have 5 people that have all long hair, we have 3 people that have shorter hair, so that way we know the timeline, we know everything that we need to do, and it's just easier for you as a bride the day of, which we're trying to do is the day off to make the day easier and just to concentrate on happy things that are going around and not stress on nobody wants to go first, or whoever wants to go last, or we don't have time for you as a bride because we had so many people with long hair. So that's just small things, but I think really important ones that can make the day of your wedding or your big day in general easier and happier. Because if everybody knows what they're doing, hairstylists know how much time they have, and everything is just easier and more comfortable for everyone. Yeah, I really appreciate everyone watching. Please subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment if that was helpful. If you have any other questions, maybe if you guys have any more questions, I can do a video that is longer or anything like that. But I think these are really important things that I want all my clients to know. Thank you so much for watching.